Hey, welcome guys to the Weird Kid Show. I'm your host, the Weird Kid. So, one problem that I always consistently seem to have is space. I live in Florida. There's no attics to speak of in Florida. There's no basements. You know, it's just too wet here in Florida. It's a big swamp. So, what do? Well, a lot of people rent sheds. They rent storage units to put their extra junk. Me, I've got 3 sheds on my property. One of them's this old shed I built many decades ago. It's full of junk and spare wood and all this other stuff. The other one is my collection, but then I have this. This is only not even a year old. And let me show you what I'm dealing with. Yikes. That's right. Okay, so I've made a decision. The one person that inspired me was Keith from Cobwebs and Candlesticks, a member of the Trio of Terror, which I am a member of, and Vick Springston from Graveyard Creepers. So I am going to take this mess and I'm going to make it go away, but I'm not only going to do that, I'm going to go a step further. I'm going to empty out this whole corner of the shed. I've got this old air conditioner I'm going to slap in this window because I'll tell you what, there's no way you can work in a shed in Florida during the summer months, okay? We're in June. Already the humidity is ridiculous, okay? And it's not good for tools and electronics and everything else too. The humidity is just not your friend. So I'm going to throw this old air conditioner I have in there for now. Eventually I'll get a new one. And then I'm going to put a workspace in there, and I'm going to put some shelving up and stuff like that. And so I think this might be the new filming permanent home, temporary permanent home of the Weird Kid Show. I say temporary because I'm not going to spend very much money. So long term, I'm going to slowly build and add and make it nice. Kind of like Keith. Keith did a fantastic job. He spent a lot of money and he spent a lot of time. So I don't expect any miracles in one day, but this is where it all begins. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, guys. So I'll check back with you here in a second. Hey guys, here we are. I've started emptying this thing. And you know what? When you got a full shed or something, a closet or anything, you really don't realize exactly how much you have until you start emptying that thing. Goodness gracious, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put all this stuff. Anyways, I went to Home Depot, spent a lot of money, more money than I thought I was going to. But we're getting there. Alright, I've already got space starting to get cleared out here. I'm gonna move some stuff around. Once I get building inside, I'll take you inside with me and I'll show you what I'm up to. Alright guys, this is what we got so far. I've cleaned out this whole corner of the shelf. I built a shelf unit over here. I bought an air conditioner for this place, but funny enough, the window is 22 inches wide. The air conditioner is 23.5 inches wide. So you gotta have an air conditioner. So I'm gonna have to probably cut a hole in aluminum here and frame it out and fit it in there. But that's okay. We're gonna deal with that. At least we're starting to get where we have a workspace here, and I'll be able to do some, more. But I got an awful lot to do yet. Just got to bring in. I bought a storage unit with shelves and stuff like that, so I can put my raw supplies and tools and stuff like that, so I can get better organized and I can get at stuff. That's the important thing. That is my biggest issue. Is when I need something. Could be one little tiny thing. I'd probably need to dig and dig just to find that little thing. So that takes a long time. It's not efficient. I want to be efficient. I want to be able to get things done more efficiently. Have access to this stuff. So I'm gonna keep on this thing, and then we'll come back and check on the progress. So catch you in a few. Hey guys, oh man, I'll tell you what, I'm beat. It's a lot of work, so I managed to pull everything out of my big shed, throw away a bunch of stuff that I'll never keep or use. Then I had to clear out this whole corner. I had to build this this like shelf that's housing my Mad Scientist contraption. I got my Frankenstein here. Got my other Mad Scientist contraption, something I built a long time ago. This is the new Weird Kid Show studio, if you will, where I'm gonna do my presentations, my intros, my outros, maybe some interviews. I've got a table here. Maybe I'll be doing some builds here. It's gonna help me. I've got some like shelving and storage units and stuff like that to get better organized with my raw materials. So I'm gonna give you a quick look around there, and you guys tell me what you think down in the comment. So here's a little tour. So right here we got storage bins that I purchased to organize all my raw materials. Got my first shrunken head here. We got the plague doctor that's here, and I got some empty spaces I gotta fill up here. There's a few of the shrunken heads that Vick Springston from Graveyard Creepers sent me. Got a new Weird Kid Show banner that I painted yesterday. There's the Frankenstein, my Mad Scientist contraption, and my shelving and stuff like that. So, and just to show you what I'm here to deal with, like it's shameful, but I've got a mess here. It's gonna take some time to get everything organized. Still got a lot of parts and tools and stuff like that. Still got some cool artwork to hang up. We're getting there, and right there in that blank spot I think is where my air conditioner is going to go. Even standing here right now, it is super hot, and but we're getting there, guys. What do you think? So this is the evolution of the Weird Kid Show, you know. We're getting there, so I appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe. We're only going to improve. We're going up from here. So thank you. Please like and subscribe. I've got a bunch of stuff coming. I got another interview that I got to edit. I got leads on other interviews. There's the Trio of Terror prop build that I'm going to start here shortly. Those of you that don't know, I'm a member of the Trio of Terror, which is myself, Keith from Cobwebs and Candlesticks, and Vick Springston from Graveyard Creepers, and of course me, the Weird Kid. And Keith went to he discovered some awesome molds from Nightmare Makers. They make these awesome molds for these really well done skulls. Okay, and he sent me and Vic each one of these skulls and some crossbones, femurs. They're around here somewhere. And so we're going to do a little group challenge. All three of us have the same materials, but we're going to do 3 separate builds, and then we're just going to see what we all come up with at the end. So that'll all be revealed within the next couple of weeks. I already know what I want to build. I got to get going on it. I've got some other props in the works, and like I said, just some more. At some point in time, I'm going to do some horror movie related toy reviews. I got some more interviews coming. There's just so much. This is the Weird Kid Show improvement, the upgrade. And I got a new camera, which I'm happy with. It's going to make life a lot easier for me. And of course the set and organizing. There's a lot more that I'm going to do to make the show bigger and better. So please let me know what you think down in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell. It's going to notify you when I upload another video. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you. Peace.